Welcome back again para sa next topic natin, which is writing linear equation from standard form to slope-intercept form and vice versa. Okay. So yung standard form ng linear equation is ax plus by is equal to c. Okay? And then yung slope-intercept form naman is y is equal to mx plus b. Kung saan yung m is yung slope natin and yung b naman is yung y-intercept. Kaya siya tinawag na slope-intercept form. Okay? So yung y-intercept, yun yung value ng y kapag 0 yung x. So later on, ma-discuss natin yan. So dito muna tayo sa writing linear equation from standard form to slope-intercept form. Okay? So yung mga equation na to, ita-transform natin into slope-intercept form. So makikita nyo naka-standard form yung mga equation na to. So for example, number 1, 3x plus y is equal to 7. So transform natin siya into slope-intercept form. So yung gagawin mo lang naman dito is i-isolate mo lang si y. Okay? So dapat y lang yung matira dito sa ating left side ng ating equation. So ilipat natin lahat dun sa right, maliban lang sa y. Okay? So lipat natin si 3x sa kabila, so matitira is, so y na lang matitira, magiging negative siya. Okay? So ito na nga yung ating slope-intercept form. Okay? So i-rearrange lang natin siya, negative 3x plus 7. Naka-slope-intercept form na siya. So yung slope natin dito, negative 3. Yung ating y-intercept, that is 7. Okay? So for example, number 2. So again, kailangan natin i-isolate si y. So dapat y lang yung matira dito. So 2y, lipat natin tong negative 4x sa kabila, magiging positive 4x. And then, may 2 pa dito, so divide lang tayo ng 2. So y is equal to negative 20 over 2, negative 10 na lang. Plus 4 over 2, that is 2 na lang. So 2x. Okay, so dinivide 2 lang natin, no? Then, rearrange lang natin. So, 2x minus 10. So, naka-slope-intercept form na siya. Yung slope natin is positive 2. And then, yung y-intercept natin is negative 10. Okay? Then, for number 3, 7x plus 4y is equal to 20. So, transform natin siya into slope-intercept form. Okay? So again, isolate lang natin si y. So 4y is equal to 20. Lipat natin si 7x sa kabila. Maging negative 7x. Then, divide 4 lang tayo. Para y na lang yung matira. So y is equal to 20 over 5, 20 over 4, that is 5. Minus 7 over 4x. Okay? Then, rearrange lang natin. So negative 7 over 4x plus 5. Okay, so slope-intercept form na siya. So yung slope natin is negative 7 over 4. And then yung y-intercept natin is positive 5. Okay?